Okay, so we're getting ready to get this platform up on those ladder jacks. I've never used ladder jacks before. And is here to help. And we're going to see if we can get it up there without dropping it. I think what we should try to do is maybe come on this side and just walk it up and set it up there. The other option is to put it up here and then somebody get on that ladder and slide it over. That may be easier. I don't know. Heavy by yourself. Grab it about right. And try to walk it up. Or put it on the platform. Let's put it on the platform. And then I can lift it up there and then slide it over.
Get it above my head.
Once you go on that far ladder over there, or maybe this ladder, because we got to get it over to the other ladder. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's not really explosive. This is the right height?
I mean, I'll be standing above it. It's fine.
Really?
It'll level out.
It'll level out when I go backwards?
I'm going to turn sideways.
String to pop a line? You got the string to pop a line?
I'll get to it.
No, I meant
I know. But give me the chalk line. And I'm going to need you to hold one end of it.
This end?
Probably. But we need to get like 1.5 inches off of here. So you need a tape measure. Or you need to come up in your back. Yeah. Come up in your thing. It's right behind you. Pull the trigger and pull forward. Yeah.
I'm not going to hit him.
Probably good, I guess. Take your tape measure and put it up underneath there, I guess, and see where 1.5 inches is. Just mark it.
You want 1.5 inches off?
Yeah. So you got 3 inches, right?
No, not quite. It's almost 3 inches
Yeah,
here.
that's fine. Just do 1.5 inches. So.
1.5 would be...
Let me go down here. Will you get that? Actually, I'm gonna need the tape measure myself.
Basically, hang on. Right there would be 1.5 inches.
You know what? It's gonna be more back here. It's not straight.
I know.
So let me go down here and take a gander.
But you're going to have to unscrew this flashing thing.
Alright, we need to pop a line, so is it tight? You have it tight?
Yeah, I'm hanging on to it.
The problem we're running into here is the overhang. The overhang on this is way too much. You only need about 1.5 inches overhang, and this tin is hanging way over, but this board is warped. It's not straight. Going down there, it's not real straight. So we've got to figure out how to cut this back, but also we got to build this out because this is slanted. We got to bring that out 1.5 inches, and then bring that tin back to 1.5 inches. So let me figure that out and I'll come back. So I'm gonna do here is drill a hole up through here. That'll give me my 1.5 inches to where I need to cut it back. And I can't see. This needs to go back. And that's almost 3.5 inches.
Huh?
Almost 3.5 inches.
That one's sticking out? But where do you have to bring it out 1.5 inches?
Alright, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take these screws out, see if I can get the bow out of that board a little bit. I'm going to have to give you these screws. There.
Out here, attempting to...
I'm going to try to fix this original screw up and get this board out with this reverse clamp. Okay, can you kind of tell me when it's straight? More?
You kind of got me booby-trapped here. Got it? But that means your boards inside are short. You have to
I'm
go.
not going to adjust those.
Oh, good.
What needs to happen?
That is not a straight edge with the board. That board is warped.
It is?
Yeah. It is.
There you go, it's warped.
Hmm.
Alright, just stand back and look at it.
Did you go in a notch?
No.
Huh? You need to go in a notch. Look at that. Sweaty. Oop. There. I mean,
Pretty close.
it's straighter than what it was.
Alright, I think we got a game plan here. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this board secured back down to the tin, and then we're going to come in here with a 5-inch or so board to give them a backing for the gutter. But we're going to go ahead and get this board secure, cut the tin, put a board up here for the backing, and then we should be good to go. Yeah, that's the game plan. And I've moved that board out, and I'm going to re-screw here. Keep it out here. Alright, we're going to try to start cutting this and see how it does. I may need to get a new blade on here.
Huh?
The blade is, the things are coming right back at me.
The sparks?
Yeah. I really need to be up a little higher.
That's not good.
No. Wrong.
You need
I need to get my shield.
your mask and stuff.
Yeah.
These are just bouncing in there.
How's it looking from up underneath there?
Up this way?
Up underneath. Straighter?
Yeah.
We are both up here now. We're about to put the second board on here. You ready? We're just going to put it on the inside and set it up there. I'll get the level.
Ready to come down?
You come down your way a little bit.
Hang on.
Okay.
Let me get my bearings.
Okay. Okay. Right here is where we need to be. I think we forgot to turn that camera back on. We just got the other piece up there and I had to cut it, so. Now I'm just going to finish putting screws in here, and then we'll have to move the whole scaffolding down. So we just got this piece on here. So the gutter is going to come down at 4 or 5 inches, I'm not sure. But then it'll set on this piece here, and then it should be straight. So that's what we got. Okay, we are got the scaffolding moved. We're going to put another board up there. We won't be able to use the lift anymore, so we'll have to go up and down this ladder. So we're going to put these boards all the way down on both sides, and then we'll be done. So let's get rolling here. Okay, we're going to abandon plan A. We're going to take these boards back off. We're just struggling getting them up there and getting it straight, so we're just going to let them put the wedges in when they bring the gutters out. But I am going to go up there and finish cutting the tin back so that's straight. So that's what we're doing now. We're going to abandon putting the floors up here, or putting the boards up here to get that bottom out. We're just going to let them put the wedges. It's already taken us way too much time to be fooling with this, so we're going to abandon that and just let them put the wedges. But I need to cut these back though. We're cutting the tin back is what we're doing here. Okay, you can really see how I screwed this up putting this on here. That roof is nowhere. That line is 1.5 inch overhang. So I really screwed ourselves when we put this roof up there and didn't square stuff up. That's what you get for not taking your time. I was able to put the plank out a little bit further to the end.
Oh, were you?
Yeah. Got me away from it so I could work with it a little bit. Alright, it's not exactly pretty, but it's going to be above the gutters. Nobody's ever going to see it. I think we're just going to have to be okay with it. Ideally, we would have had a square building, but that's just not what we got. So I think it's all within 1.5 inches. I think it's going to serve its purpose. Okay, here we are. We've got 1.5 inch-ish all down the side. And the other side is good, so I think we're done with this side. We're going to go down here and take these 2 boards off that we put on down there. And then I think we're going to call it good. Let them put the wedges in there to straighten the gutter and call it done. So hang tight, we're gonna get those boards off, and then the only other thing I'm gonna do is do some caulking on that light right there. I already did caulking on that light, so I wanted to get that done. Then we'll be done. So here we go. That corner one there,